All right, y'all, let's get straight into it. 1968 Chevy Chevelle Convertible. She has a small block Chevy backed by a 3-speed automatic. Frame and floor pans are solid. Lower doors are solid. Interior's in good condition. Paint nice and clean. Let's check her out. Y'all drop down in the comments and tell me what's y'all favorite Chevelle, what year. Everybody I asked, they either say 70, 71. She has minor imperfections and blemishes that you can barely see from 5 feet away. What I like to call driver quality paint. Driver side frame and floor pans. Passenger side. Checking out the jambs on the lower doors. Deck lid in good shape. As y'all can see, she's nice and solid. Trunk nice and clean. Already wired for sound. Interior's nice and clean. Sport steering wheel. Bucket seats. Console with floor mounted shifter. Back seat in good condition. Convertible top functions as it should. Let's check out the dash. Mileage reached a little over 72,000. Upper dash. Lower. Engine bay is nice and clean. She has a small block Chevy backed by a 3-speed automatic. Headers, power brakes, power steering. Let's start her up. Fire right up. Y'all gonna go over and check out rollermuseums.com. I got over 100 detailed photos on her. We have financing available. All the contact information is gonna be in the description below. Thank y'all for watching. Y'all have a good one.